Stronger pelvic muscles improve male stability, posture, circulation, and foundational support for long-term sexual health.
When pelvic muscles weaken, men experience stiffness, poor balance, reduced control, and compromised sexual performance.
Training deep pelvic muscles restores internal strength that supports confidence, posture, and healthy sexual function.
This equipment-free routine activates deep pelvic muscles essential for circulation, stability, and male sexual endurance.
Bodyweight child pose gently lengthens hips, reduces pelvic tension, and improves blood flow. This controlled movement relaxes pelvic muscles while activating stabilizers linked to erectile support.
Pelvic relaxation improves nervous system response, preparing the body for stronger arousal control.
Lying scissors cross strengthens lower abs, hip flexors, and pelvic floor simultaneously.
Crossing motion forces pelvic muscles to stabilize, improving control essential for sexual performance.
A stable pelvis improves posture, balance, and efficient blood flow during intimate activity.
Plank to pike engages deep core and pelvic muscles, supporting spinal protection and endurance.
Pelvic lifting strengthens stability muscles critical for sustained sexual performance and control. This movement builds deep pelvic tension, essential for posture, confidence, and longevity. Push-ups in child pose combine upper body strength with focused pelvic control. Low positioning activates inner thighs and pelvic stabilizers, supporting sexual endurance. Controlled pressure strengthens deep pelvic support better than complex, uncontrolled movements. Alternating toe-tap leg lifts challenge pelvic stability and lower abdominal control. Each controlled leg movement forces pelvic muscles to stabilize efficiently. Improved pelvic endurance supports balance, stamina, and sustained sexual function. This routine strengthens muscles essential for daily movement, aging well, and sexual health.
When pelvic muscles strengthen, men move better, feel better, and perform better.
Consistent pelvic training builds internal strength, confidence, and long-term male sexual health.